I'll get you now! Hey, you! Come here!
Sammy, what's going on?
This is impossible. Everyone is hiding from me, Sue.
Why are you playing hide and seek?
No, Susan! We are dressing up!
And why are the toys hiding then?
That's the thing! I didn't even try all the outfits on them!
I guess they're just tired of your game.
But it's so cool to change the clothes completely! Every minute!
Since the dolls are not the option anymore, we need to figure out something new. Oh! And I know what it's gonna be! Let's go! Hi guys! Let's make a doll which you can dress up as many times as you want!
I got it! You've decided to create a new fashion line from paper!
Sort of. Can you help me with that? Look, you need to bend all four corners like this.
Easy! In Tibidabo, I used to sew stylish outfits. And this is just some paper. Let's see. Hup, hup. It's all done.
So, you can sew, huh? Can you sew something for me too?
Oh my Feta, what did you do? You ruined everything that I made!
Sammy, chill out. These are just the preparations. And you didn't answer my question. Will you sew something for me?
Sure! I can make a pattern right now! I guess I'll add some ruffles too.
Not sure about ruffles. Something simple will do better.
Your careless phrase ruined my inspiration!
Sammy, I'm sorry. Don't be so grumpy. Better let me show you one cool trick. Check this out. Everything is bent perfectly.
Hey, the tricks are my territory! I will show you now! Whoosh! Whoosh!
Sammy, I love your tricks, but maybe you can help me a bit here? You're a great fashion designer. I can't do it without you.
Oh, I'm back! I'll finish it real quick! Ta-da! Oops, not that! Here, it's all done now!
Sammy, thanks, but we've just started. There's still a long way to go till we finish. You know it takes months to create fashion collections?
Months? Are you trying to say I will be crafting for months?
No, Sammy, calm down. We'll be done very soon. Everything is thought through. Well, almost.
There is no almost in fashion. Probability theory doesn't work here, you know.
Whoa, Sammy. Probability theory? Are you an expert in math, too?
I have multiple talents. Hey, who turned off the light? Don't play with me like that.
Sammy, you're in the way. And I need to keep working on the duck's body.
I want to tell you something, but honestly, Sue, guys, can you keep secrets?
Sure thing. And you guys, give us a thumbs up if you're also good at that.
Phew, okay. I'll tell you, but just you. Don't tell anyone else about it.
Sammy, these are awesome outfits. Did you draw them? But when?
We had the best outfit contest in Tibidabo.
Hey, I didn't see all of them.
I drew a lot back then, but I've never created those.
Sammy, that's great. This is the thing that I haven't considered yet. Now I know for sure what our doll's outfits will look like.
But Sue, I don't get it. These are outfits for Lalafanfan duck.
Didn't I tell you? We're not just making any doll, but a paper ducky. So your outfit ideas are a perfect match.
Hooray, hooray! My dream will come true. Sue, you're my best friend.
Did you doubt me? Let's keep going. It's time to move to the next stage. And the body is ready. Now we'll make the head.
Sue, I turned into a duck again. You can take it as a reference. A natural reference.
Thanks, Sam, but your duck doesn't look like Lalafanfan. It's a no-go.
See? You don't fit. You'd better let me dress you up.
Sammy, are you sure your toys want to take part in your fashion show?
Let me organize a survey here. Who wants to take part in my marvelous show?
Sammy, seems like you scared the toys off. But don't give up. Our duck is willing to try on all the outfits.
Then we have to finish everything as soon as possible. Come on, Sue. You have to speed up a bit.
Sammy, you're so funny sometimes. Origami doesn't like rushing. And fashion shows also require some long preparations.
But in Tibidabo.
Sammy, be careful. If you crumple it, we'll have to start over.
So, back in Tibidabo, we only spend a couple seconds to get ready.
This is very interesting, but I need to finish here. You can tell them your story. And I'll keep working. But I still don't understand how you managed to do that so fast.
Firstly, the Tibidabians choose a designer. In all of the cases, it was me. Then the designer comes up with an outfit. And I can create a dozen in an hour.
Oh, the greatest designer, Sam. Can I ask you something?
Sure, I'm ready to answer any question from my fans.
Can you sew an outfit as fast as you can come up with one?
That's not my business. I'm an artist, a source of ideas.
Now I understand why you were working so fast. Did you have a seamstress team in Tibidabo?
We did, And I think we should get one here, too. I'll go train my ducky, Barbie, and...
Good luck, and I'll make the cheeks. So we've already bent here. Now we'll bend here. Actually, why don't you help me?
Don't I help. Here, I brought you some paper to make more models for my show.
More models? You'd better help me with the cheeks.
You can do it better than me, but the outfit's
Sammy, wait! We agreed to use your drawings!
The more the better! Check it out first!
Oh! Sammy, that's beautiful, of course, but it's not the right stuff. Look, these dresses won't fit our ducky at all.
What a bummer! I want our duck to be the best!
She will be! We are done with her head and body. There's one important stage left.
Which one? What is it? Tell us! We all want to know everything!
We need to draw her face in the outfits! Let's go! We're getting to the most interesting part, the drawing of—
Wait, Sue, it's too early to draw! We need to make one more thing!
Sammy, don't scare me like that! What is it?
Wait! Ta-da! Hey! I said ta-da! Woohoo!
Great! We'll have 3 models then! How many outfits do we need?
Let's see. Phew! Here, we'll have 6 outfits in total.
Greatest designer, Sammy. Can you make some copies of that?
Am I a copier to you? Okay.
Sammy, thank you so much for making so many parts for me. But now I need your help again. Our models need faces.
Yes! I can do that! I know how my models should look!
I have no doubts about that. Hope that you'll like mine too.
I guess you know what Lalafanfan duck should look like.
Of course I know, but I have my way, so my duck will be kind of special.
While you were drawing one, I made 2 of them!
Awesome, but I think our duckies need more colors. We'll start with pink blush. They will be so cute.
Hey, only I can be cute here!
Sammy, please move.
Come on, Sue, it was a joke!
Guys, check out this tasty strawberry here.
Yeah, and support my ducky in these trendy glasses. A couple more touches, and it will be ready! Oh, this will be my best fashion show ever!
Sammy, you did great, but let's speed up with the rest. Awesome, let's move on. Which outfit will suit this ducky the best?
You're doing it all wrong! What about the colors? These look so pale!
I thought that was your creative idea. We'll start with the most famous shade, Pink Sam.
Well then, I need to watch you! My design should be flawless! Oh, sorry, Sue! I got carried away!
Yeah, you're a bad spy, Sammy. I'm almost finished with the first outfit.
Hey, no! I can't let this happen!
But Sam…
Holy cannoli, I'll be the first! Haha, can't get me! Look, it came out really good!
Here it is, give me that.
Hey!
Now come and get it.
Sue, give me that! The viewers are watching! I will give you these outfits! Please!
Okay, let's exchange.
Hooray!
Guys, join our vroom vroom super fast coloring! Sammy, how about the designs? I can't wait!
Almost done! Just a little more. Aha, Robert! I saw that!
I just wanted to help. Red berries on the shirt and a romantic look is ready.
What if we color it with 2 markers at a time, huh?
Hold him, guys! I'm almost done!
Hey, it's not fair! People always didn't acknowledge the geniuses!
Phew! I made it! Sorry, Sammy, but I had to save your show. Hey, Sammy, are you okay? Your outfits are waiting.
Huh? What? The show is already on? Or did it finish?
No, Sammy, you're on time. We have everything ready. And what about you?
Yay! Now it's my time to shine as a fashion designer! Or maybe I can also try something on!
We just need to dress up the models.
No time to wait! We have to get famous! So, are you ready for the show, people? Oh, so cool! Oh, wow! Wow! Check out this outfit!
So beautiful!
Now look over here! And now change of totally change at any time!
Sammy, what are you doing? Having a photo shoot?
Yes, I want to send a report to fashion houses in Tibidabo. Ah!
What's wrong?
Where are my models? Did they run away? This one's mine! Alarm! It's kidnapping! Come back! I'll make a fashion show for all of you!
That's it! Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned, guys! Bye, everyone!